Emergency broadcast system.
We're sorry. All circuits are busy now. Will you please try your call again later?
Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper operating from a different location. I'm on Long Island in New York State visiting family and thought I'd break out the Bugout bag radio set up here and make a video for you and check my HF radio email. And I have what I call the Bugout bag radio itself, the FT-817ND, connected to an FT-971 manual antenna tuner using a typical 12-volt battery you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's, a standard laptop, and of course the SCS PTC2 USB modem. And I've got that connected to the Bugout bag antenna here. And I'll go ahead and I can actually pull this down, get this close so you can see it. There's the Budwig dipole adapter. And the antenna's running out, tied off to that tree there with some 550 cord. And then coming over this way again with some more 550 cord into that tree. Now what's different about this antenna since the last time I showed it to you, I actually cut it here and of course over here to make it a VHF dipole antenna for 146 megahertz. So I can do VHF packet radio but only have to carry one antenna. So what I did is I went to Radio Shack and got some of these terminal blocks and put some connectors on the end and cut the wire and wired in the terminal block. So when I need an HF dipole antenna, I keep it connected like this, and that's cut for 14 megahertz. But if I need a 2-meter dipole antenna, I just loosen the screw and I can disconnect this piece here and tie some 550 cord here, and I have a small 2-meter dipole antenna. Maximize the space in the Bugout bag kit. So let's go over here and I'll connect to a station. I'm actually already tuned up to communicate with the station in Canada. So we'll go ahead and hit the start button here and see if we can't pull in some of my HF email. Okay, sorry for the break guys, I had to change frequencies. So now I'm connected to a station in Canada on 7 megahertz. I'm using the antenna tuner here to tune this dipole antenna we put up in the tree here that's really cut for 14 megahertz. But we're making it work, and that's the purpose of having the antenna tuner. So you can hear that station's actually coming in pretty clear for just 5 watts. And you can see there we're barely putting out our 5 watts. And we come over here to our RMS application and you can see that we got our connection in there. And we're pulling an email. Actually we didn't get any email, but we disconnected as we should have. So what I'll do here is I'll pause this and I'm going to send an email. You can actually watch me transmit that email from Long Island on HF radio to Canada. Okay guys, so I have a draft email here that I'm going to post to my Gmail account from Long Island via Canada, and I'm going to post this to the outbox. I'm going to come back over here and reopen my actual radio session here where I did my last connection, and I'll go ahead and hit start, and the radio will start calling out to that station in Canada again, as you can hear it in there. And the 2 stations are connected. Again, this is with only 5 watts. We're going to get that email out. We're connected at Pactor 3 speeds at 200 bits per second. Not the best, but not bad. And we'll come over here, you can see the actual power needle on the watt meter there. So the needle going up and down is your forward power. And this needle over here that's not moving at all is actually reflected power. And we don't want any reflected power. So the tuner is doing exactly what we want it to do. And the radio's there transmitting away. And you can see there's the green status bar with us transmitting that email. And the mosquitoes are getting pretty heavy. That email is sent. The 2 radios will disconnect there. And that was a successful test of the Bugout bag kit from Long Island, New York. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with another demonstration of the Bugout bag radio while on vacation. So just to show you, this the kit broke down and packed up. Bug-out bag radio and the tuner with all the cabling in the black box. Of course the laptop, the Pactor modem, and the external battery.